All right. Welcome to another edition of Shabbat Lounge. This is Matt
And Jake here.
and we want to come before you. I was like, Jake, have you watched the news lately?
There's a little bit of news going on these days, isn't there, Matt?
A little bit. In fact, there may be so much news your head just wants to explode.
Yes.
And you don't know what to do with this information.
Right.
So we want to make a series, or just a couple of. Is it a series? It's not a series.
A series of two.
A series of two, epic series of two.
Yeah.
About the U.S. Constitution. And what about the Constitution?
Well, we're going to discuss how the Torah and the U.S. Constitution unite and how that all works together and see how patriotic you really are.
All right. So you'll have to tune in to catch the full edition of the Torah and the U.S. Constitution.
Yes.
So stay tuned, and in the coming days, that will be here shortly.
It will be forthcoming.
All right. Thank you.